My best friend had a cat named Ginger who had three kittens, which are named Shadow, Lemon, and Honey. Even though even though those cats weren't my cats, I usually help take care of them and play with them. Today I will talk about a cat named Lemon. Lemon, I felt like he was the most attached to me, since whenever I came to my best friend's house, he greeted me and tried to go in the house, even though he wasn't allowed to. I remember always playing with him, and he shortly died, even though I don't know. How I knew that is when one day when I came to my best friend's house, she told me her brother found Lemon dead. Although I don't remember how Lemon died, I'm still sad about his death. And that is my sad experience about my best friend's cat named Lemon.
Experience. My dog died in the middle of 2021. It was very sad because he was attached to me. And he had another brother named Blackie. The dog that I was talking about was called Brownie. He died because his eyes bleed, but I am not sure how he died. But it was super sad. My grandpa buried him in a field. But after a few months, my grandpa dug it out and I don't know where he put it.